Well, guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a small green day. Really, really small green day. After getting chopped at first few minutes in NIO, I got stopped here. This really, really bad day. I picked the right three stocks. It's just I picked the wrong one out of three because SPC. I could have traded SPCE. Look at that. Thing is, there's no volume in the first few minutes. That's why I didn't really trade it. It wasn't really moving. Nothing's moving in the first minute. That's why. Um, yeah, CCL was probably the best. I was really looking at it. Like this was my number one that I could have traded. Just I don't know why I didn't really trade it. I should have traded this for breakout of this 1528 pre-market low and then probably stop 1550 or have this candle. But yeah, I just didn't have the guts to trade it, and I ended up trading NIO, and I got really really bad trade on the first few minutes. I got some good trades partials, but I was really hoping for a break. I was really patient trying for a high day break, uh waiting for a good move. But yeah, it didn't really happen. I got chopped here a few times, and then what I did is I just tried myself digging myself out. I tried digging myself out of this hole, and then I ended up green, but really, really small green. Yeah, but it's still green. Um, yeah, short, covered, added, covered, added. I'm still in a short. As you can see, short 1865, so that's my average. So, I'm still hoping for another flush maybe if I get lucky. So, I might get more profit out of this if this flushes more. 46 is low of day. So yeah, before everything else, you know what to do. These things happen. I'm not like a pro trader that's always winning every day. Although I'm green today, but it wasn't really fun. It was kind of stressful. So you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for more daily updates, and follow me on my social media accounts, and you'll see this kind of trades. I'll show it to you live, how I overtraded, how I reverse traded, and yeah, right, let's watch. Here you go. I'm gonna fast forward this a bit. So today I was looking at NIO. Really, we got dumped. Not much volume. So let's look at the first minute volumes. Look at what's this? NIO. It has about 84,000. Volume's not that much. Yeah, CCL 700,000 volume. I should have focused on CCL. I don't know why. Probably because NIO is on my left side. That's on my main. I should have. So SPCE, no volume, 19,000. Good. CCL. Look at that. CCL rejected at 1550. I should have traded it here and risk about this one. But what I did was I chased. What's this? Kind of chased NIO, I think. This is where I traded NIO. Crazy. That my stop is somewhere 97. I thought it's gonna drop, but the thing is, there's this wick. Oh, I got stuff full R in there. I got stop in there. I flipped. Because that's how you do when you overtrade. Really embarrassed at this. So I flipped it for a $19 break. I was trying to gain some of my losses back. It's still red. So this was a full R loss. That's where I should have stopped somewhere here at VWAP. But there you go. And I was like, I do. So I traded again for a 20 cent or 20 cent risk. I was really hoping for that $19 break. 1920. Please give me 1920. I was really hoping for 1920. I wasn't really even taking big partials in there. I was just taking really small partials because just itchy, and then I got stopped. Uh, what did I do? Oh, okay. So I got stopped here. Said okay, it's getting rejected at this level, but it looks like it's really gonna go high of day. I took it long again. You're watching me overtrade. So I'm down 1 hour still. In some profit back, but not really much. Yeah. So I stopped out. Created another one for break. This is probably FOMO. This is FOMO. Seriously, FOMO. I was kind of chasing it. I was hoping at this break of this 1906 area. 1904 there. And I think I stopped myself out because oh, that's the one. And then I flipped. Yeah, I flipped. So I stopped myself out, flip immediately because I have this level in here. I said, okay, if it's really gonna go down here, it's really gonna really heavy size. Really heavy size. Or really heavy size. I think I'm full buying power in here. Really heavy size. Because I just want to get out of this loss. But this is really bad. So my average is 1884. This is where I kind of gain back most of my profit. I was being patient. I should have been risking 10 cents only for this. Yeah, I got stopped there. I was actually thinking of stopping here. I don't know why I didn't get stopped here. It just moved too much. So my annual average is 1884. So this one 1884 doesn't really show my stop here, but this is where I got stopped. I flipped. I'm down 2R now. 2R, 2.5R. Normally I should be stopped trading. I should be stopping this time. But man, I gotta gain this back. Fast forward. Just fast forward this. So, I was willing to risk have this even though my average is 1884. I'm gonna risk probably 4 cents. I'm just gonna stop trading after that. I got stopped. Like I was really strict. I'm gonna stop at that 88. Battle of recovering. Took some profit. It's 10%. 10%. I have a really good profit here now. I could probably recover half of my losses if I take all out, but I didn't take all out because I was need to back my losses. So that's the bad thing about trading 1 minute orb. If you got squeeze, that's 1 hour, and then you overtrade, that's gonna be 2 hour. Then it will be hard for you to recover from that. It's either you stop trading or you have to be careful. Fast forward this. Yeah, it's not really taking my limit order in there, but there you go. Come on, take it. I didn't take. I had to take another 10% in there. I still have heavy sides in here. 20-cent move. There you go. Come on. This is where I took probably 20%. The big orders 1850. I really want that 1850. I took 25% there. So the new low of the day is 1857. I'm really looking at my P&L now. I can actually just recover everything. If I get all out here, I'll be break even. Didn't take it because greedy. Yes, I'm greedy. Yeah, I should have taken everything here now. That was just creepy. I was really hoping for a flush of 1850, but the thing is, it's a bit too far from BWAP. So let's fast forward this. Looking at Fibonacci, where it's gonna retrace. Probably gonna retrace at 78. I use that sometimes when I'm trading this kind of mess. So I'm really looking where to add. So I'll probably add somewhere at 72 area. I think Fibonacci showed me like this level will be a good level. This is probably a level somewhere. So let's fast forward that. Average is still 84. There you go. I added. New average is 81. Profit. The profit. I'm just taking small partials until I reach 1850. 1850 is the one I really want to take. So added. New average is 76. I'm very close. I'm re-averaging, adding small shares for a flush of 1850. Sure, I probably added somewhere here. If it gets rejected at 72, I was telling you earlier, right? This area, if it gets rejected there, I'm gonna add. There you go. I added at 72. Not the 72, but when it got rejected at 72. I don't really trade like this. This is how I trade when I need to survive. I have this talent or skill to recover from this kind of losses. I probably take sniper focus on price action when because I don't really trade around this time. It's just I don't want to trade around this time because I'm very impatient. You know, when I'm adding, I make sure it's perfect cover, but I don't really like trading like this because it's really stressful. I like just like trading the open. 5 minutes you're done, 10 minutes you're done. No hassle. But I have to recover my 2.5 hour loss in here. Yeah. Happened. Really hoping for that 54 low of day. Just fast forwarding this video. So my new average is 75. After adding this to 75, I'm slowly adding. I'm not really adding big because I don't want my break even to be really close. But this is probably where it dropped, I think. So let's see. Yeah, there you go. Sellers. There you go. Took my that. Big order, 15 area. It's gonna go there. There you go. Took some profit. Wow. Yeah, there you go. Another seller in there. You see that? Oh, I like that. But this is where you should be taking profit. Most of your shares. So I was taking profit. Most of my shares here. I'll probably take most at 1850. Yep. Because I know it's gonna go up again at 1850 and reverse at 62 probably. I'm not sure. 62 area. Yeah. So either I added 62 area or somewhere here at 65. Good stuff, but Monday will be just small green. I can't remember. I think I stopped my video here somewhere. My video will end soon. About 6 minutes. For this, yeah, this is where I added. Go. So new average is 65. 1665 is my new average. Oh no, 1865. That's 1865 is my new average. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, so sick. Yeah, so after that I took profit. I didn't really take profit more here because I really want this 1839, and probably, I don't know, I'm seeing order at 1840 or somewhere 1850. I'm just gonna hold these small shares I have, maybe to get extra money. I could probably take this one now, but I'm still small green. See where it's gonna go. It's probably gonna go to 1839 or probably 1832. Um, yeah, 1832 previous day close. Probably gonna reverse there, or maybe, I don't know, dollars or here. Probably 1810, 1810 max or 18. It's probably I will take most of my profit. But yeah, easy. Wow, what a survival, right? What happens? So yeah, 50. It's we're about. It looks like it's still dropping. Kind of holding 9 MA on 5 minute. You can see here. Kind of holding that 9 MA. So that's where I kind of gauge my ads as well. Here I added here, I added here. Right? Yeah, this ad was not necessary. I kind of added here. Yeah. As long as it respects the 1854 area, then it should be good for a $18 target. Yeah, here. 1860. So yeah, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna stop this recap now. Yeah, you saw how I kind of. I don't know if it's called revenge. What do you think? Because this trade was tough. Really squeezed. I out of words. Yeah, it's frustrating, and recovering from a 2.5 hour loss, it's tough sometimes. I'm glad I didn't get squeezed again here after entering again. Out of words. This is insane. Like, trading is really tough. Like, it's a survival game sometimes. Um, how did you do today, guys? So, oh, everyone asked about this spread. Spread is basically just, as you can see here, this spread is basically just level one. I just tried to hide it like below this level. It's just level one. Then you remove the level 2 and then you just put it here. You can see the spread, and you can change this to VWAP. You can change this to open price. You can change this to bid and ask size or spread. Yeah, right click, you can see bid and asks. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold this, and you know what to do. Sorry about that messy trade. So, but you know what to do. If you like my video, even though it's crap, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Today was a tough day. I should have traded as CCL. Could have been a good day, but yeah, who knows what's really gonna happen. So yeah, follow me in my social media accounts, and man, it's a tough day. Have a good day, everyone. Cheers.